Hello. We're incredibly excited to be presenting QUVI to you today.
QUVI was created over a year ago, whereas freshmen, we noticed our water bottles would oftentimes have a really bad smell to them, start growing mold, and be really disgusting in general. We learned that by not cleaning them frequently, we were exposing ourselves to millions of pathogens that could be harmful and deadly to us. So we started doing some research on how we could fix this. We talked to some medical experts, and they told us that the medical industry had been using UVC sanitization to sanitize and sterilize their equipment for over 3 decades. We thought, why can't we take this great technology and create a product that makes it easy, affordable, and most importantly, keeps us safe in the process?
Therefore, we created QUVI, the world's first and only water bottle sanitization device that kills bacteria, pathogens, and mold on the inside and outside of reusable water bottles. Our product incorporates a number of state-of-the-art technologies, including UVC bulbs that sanitize the exterior of the water bottle, and a proprietary linear actuator mechanism that adjusts to the height of the water bottle. Our chassis is made of a lightweight, durable aluminum construction, which means it's not prone to damage and it's very easy to hang up onto a wall. And our product kills 99.99% of bacteria and viruses in under a minute.
Students have limited options for cleaning their water bottle. These options are both highly inefficient and time sensitive. One of them is hand washing, which only cleans your water bottle rather than sanitizing it. The other option is dishwashing, which most students don't have access to. The last option is purchasing a water bottle, such as Lark or Crazy Cap, which both have a UVC light in the interior lid of their water bottle and only sanitizes the interior of the bottle. QUVI is able to sanitize the interior, exterior, and lip of the water bottle where most bacteria is found. It's also cost-effective and publicly available.
We really wanted to understand how these UNC students felt about our product. So this past summer, we conducted a survey of over 300 of them. What we found was quite shocking. We found that 96% of UNC students regularly use a reusable water bottle, but that over 62% of them didn't frequently clean it. We believe this is from the fact that dishwashers don't exist on campus and that hand washing is both time consuming and not very effective. We also found that the average UNC student spent over 3.5 sick days each semester. We believe with a product like QUVI, we'll be able to drastically decrease that number through overall well-being and health consciousness. And most importantly, we found that 96% of reusable water bottle owners said that they wanted a product like QUVI to help make it easy, affordable, and make sure they're more safe overall. And now we'd love to share with you the team behind this product.
My name is Harshul, and I'm the CEO of QUVI.
My name is Kush, I'm the CFO.
And my name is Alekhya, and I'm the CMO.
And we have an excellent board of advisors and engineering team that we worked with for over a year to come up with the product we have today and iterate on our prototypes.
Thank you so much for listening to our presentation today. We are currently seeking advice and mentorship on bringing QUVI to market and any manufacturing advice. If you have any comments or concerns or have advice to offer, please reach out on our email, or you can check out our website at qvitech.com. Thank you.